everything else in this state. I was in Alabama, and there was a building there that said the same location since 1795. And you go to LA, there's buildings that say in the same location since May. Right? So we provide 3 services. Education, thank you for coming, Elias. I really appreciate you being here now. Sit down. Stop talking. Stop talking. We provide education. We've got some great speakers talking to you tonight about Airbnb. We also provide networking. How about it for all of our vendors? Let's give them a thank you while we're at it. And mentoring. If you need help with mentoring, let us know, or talk to ladies in the back of the room. If you're having a problem getting started, or you want to go to the next level and you need mentoring, our Patty's back there, Latasha's back there, Nurit's back there. We also have the gold member meeting, which was earlier tonight. So what I want to do right now is have each of the vendors speak to you just briefly for a minute. Please write down their phone number or their website. I want you to appreciate they all have services for you. And in addition to that, they're great referral sources where you can go to them for other people that you may need in business. And all they ask in return is that when you come to the situation where you need help in your real estate investments, that you turn to them. Is that fair trade? Is that a fair trade? Thank you. Okay, Jaws, appreciate that. All right, let's who's first? Oh, Bill's first. Go ahead.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill Gross. I'm a real estate broker here in LA. I'm the official podcaster for this group. So if you go to LAREIC.com, scroll down to the podcast. That's me every Tuesday, 3 p.m. So you can register, you'll get invited to that. My basic business is probate real estate. If you want to learn about probate real estate, go to probateweekly.com. I host a podcast, I have video, audio version of that, probateweekly.com, free. I'd love to teach you, mentor you, help you with your probate problems. Thanks.